Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a better understanding or a crisp insight of various domains. Today's topic is around building competencies through excellence in people. And we have three guest speakers today. I'm going to introduce all three speakers one after the other. First, we have for the first 20-25 odd minutes, we have Amit Ray, who is the country head and general manager, Excellence in People Private Limited. Amit has 14 years of experience in various industries, including financial services, ITES, and healthcare, and worked in customer service, operations, marketing, and sales. He has been involved with people management from a very early stage in his career and has involved in designing and implementing development programs at his workplaces. He has trained on various topics ranging from finance and customer services to HR processes, performance management, and code of conduct. Our second speaker for today, we have Maureen Schofield. Maureen is the managing director of Cullen Schofield, an HR and management consultancy which was founded in 1986. She is a qualified HR strategist and speaker and brings with her a wide range of experience in different sectors, enabling her to provide her clients with creative and pragmatic ideas to resolve their management and people issues. She is a fellow of CIPD and the RSA and has been awarded an honorary membership of the City and Guilds in recognition of their services to training and development. She is a great believer in the lead by example ethos, and her HR skills are delivered in a consultative style encouraging independence with a deep belief in the praise rather than blame culture. Through her leadership, Cullen Schofield has been accredited with the Investors in People Standard since 1998 and has achieved the gold standard in both 2010 and 2013. And with that, we come to our last most important speaker, Meena Sen. She's a postgraduate MSc by education, has 30 years of experience in the IT software industry in consulting and process improvement areas. She has worked with organizations in the government as well as private sector in India and across the globe. She has advised over 15 companies of medium to large size to get assessed for ISO, CMM, CMMI. She is a certified project management professional and is also an acclaimed trainer in area of process improvement. Her 10 years entrepreneurial experience has enabled her to identify key enablers that help organizations to face and work on challenges in managing business. At present, she is consulting in the area of customer, supplier relationship management, vendor assessment, contract reviews, building RFP, contract validation service, and human capital management and development. So without any further delay, let me introduce you all to our guest speaker, Amit Ray. Over to you, Amit.
Thanks, Sulogna. Thank you very much. Very good evening to the webinar delegates. Thank you for joining in. Very special thank you to Maureen and Meena for taking in the time out and speaking here. Well, the aspiration for the evening, of course, is that by the end of this webinar, we'll have a fair understanding as to what building competencies through excellence in people means. Well, before getting on anywhere, I'd like just to dwell